My name is Lee Beatty, and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a little test here. I'm not going to be on very long, but what I want to do for everybody who actually watches my channel, I want you guys. There's a link on the in the description below. I'm going to be elaborating on that. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get more subscribers doing it the easy way, and I'm going to show you because all I got to do is click on the link in the description below. So let me give you a little background as why I'm doing this. Been traveling a bunch this year. Obviously, been East Coast, West Coast. Uh, Great life, obviously. Unfortunately, a few weeks ago, I had all my belongings stolen out of my hotel room. And for those of you who don't know, a lot of things that I do on the back end, I've been really taking a step back from doing a lot of these hangouts, so I can actually create these products on the Udemy platform and other things that are coming down the platform. So what I'm going to do today, just as a way of kind of getting reacclimated, this is a brand new computer. I'm obviously back at home base here, and just kind of getting myself really back in the mix. I can really sympathize with those of you who are just starting out right now, because with me, I've had so many uh, programs and so many things that I've done along the way that I've gotten so used to the computer I was using. So what I want you guys to do, I want to do a little test here. I want you guys to like this video, okay? In the description below, there's a link, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to break down that link for everybody who liked that. Every one of you who liked this video, it's going to show me the likes. I'm actually be able to go in there. I'm going to give you guys the code for how you guys can actually use this and increase your actual subscribers seamlessly, just like I did, just like you're going to be able to do. And when the like count on this video goes over 100, everybody who has taken action and liked this video, clicked on the link in the description below where it says watch here. You'll see it's going to be an arrow pointing over. Click on that. The reason why I'm actually doing that is I'm going to actually be doing a holiday promotion, kind of a Black Friday. Really into the holidays, where I'm going to be doing a bundle of all of my courses that I've done to date on the Udemy platform, plus some other ones. And what I'm going to be doing for everybody who takes action on this video. That's why it's not long. There's not a whole lot you're going to learn here, but what you're going to learn inside the link in the description below, what you're going to learn is really, really simplistic. Because what I've done is, let me go ahead and break it down for those of you what I've done. I've basically taken my subscribe link that you see on my YouTube channel here. I've shortened it. Okay, so what I did is I shortened it. Every one of us with your YouTube channel, if you have a YouTube channel, if you offer videos, if you do anything like I'm doing right now, a lot of you are probably wondering, how do I get my subscribers up there? How do I get my views up? And things like that. Lee, how do you got so many and you don't even post very often? It's a good question. The reason why I do that is I'm showing you there's a link in the description below, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to unveil that to everybody who likes this video. You're going to get a free, uh, basically a free tip on how I break this down. It's not really commonly shared, which is kind of odd to me. And every one of you that actually take action on this, I'm going to be passing on my YouTube course. So you're going to get a $97 value for free. Okay, so once I start seeing those likes build up, and I'm not talking about all the other videos that I do. I'm talking about this particular video. This is a test that I'm wanting to do, and I want to show everybody how when you click on that link in the description below, you're going to see what it's going to do is it's going to redirect you through my subscribe link. Okay, so just so you know, it's not unethical. What this does is I've disguised it, I've shortened it, and what I've done is take that long code that YouTube gives you and then your YouTube channel and things like that. What I've done is I've shortened it towards a readable link where it looks like it's something that you want to click. And if any of you have ever looked at any of my descriptions, you all will know that I like to really thoroughly go through and break this down and to give you guys clickable links so you can actually take action. And what you're going to see in the coming weeks as well, there's a lot of different products that I'm affiliated with that are going to be coming down the pipeline. So you're going to see me be launching a couple different websites and a couple other things that are going to be coming along the way. Unfortunately, a lot of what's happened over the last few weeks, it really took away from my steam. I had a couple product launches that were coming down the pipeline, had products that were getting ready to upload to YouTube, all gone. Okay, and unfortunately for me, my loss is your gain. There's the reason why I want to do this is I want you guys to like this video. It's real simple. You know, I'm gonna kind of recap here. As to why I'm actually doing this test. One, you know, I had a bunch of products going to come down the pipeline. I was going to create playlists for this, and I was going to start building out a different channel, a couple of different channels as part of this. But because of some of these things have now delayed my progress, some of these took months to do, and I didn't actually upload them like a smart guy, like I should have done, onto any type of cloud, you know, to the drive like I always use, or to, you know, Dropbox or whatever the case. So I'm sitting in a chair. So what I did was I lost out on a ton of work. So those unethical thieves from my hotel room, they have no idea what they got away with. That both of those computers alone, just all the softwares in them, and things that I was using to do a lot of what I do, is gone. So, so the test now, okay, it's real simple. Okay, for those of you who do YouTube marketing, or you do any type of marketing on YouTube, you're going to see in the description below. This is your first thing I'm going to talk about. There's a link in there. It's a short link. It's my subscribe link. It's my subscribe to my channel link. You'll see it come up on this video sometime towards the end of the video. It comes up the last 15 seconds, I believe. And uh, as a result, what happens, people click that, I gain subscribers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show all of you who take action. I'm expecting everybody who watches my channel, I'm expecting a whole bunch of subscribers to come through, a whole bunch of likes come through. I'm expecting you guys to, because I'm going to be giving a $97 course away for free for all you action takers out here. I'm going to be watching this video. I'm not going to do anything to promote it. This is an organic thing that I'm doing right now. I'm not going to do any promotions, not paying for any views, not doing anything to get this out here. I want to reward all of you who actually watch my videos, who actually follow my channel, and who subscribe to me. You probably found some of the information that I provided to be useful. You guys have seen some of the marketing tips that I provided for musicians. You know, I've never promoted that at all. That has gotten, it's sprouted its own legs, and it's growing. It's growing. It's getting more and more and more momentum. So in the coming weeks, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be, again, I've got one course that's actually almost complete. Again, after having everything stolen out of my hotel room, I have now had to take a couple steps back. I've had to readdress, you know, first needs first, and just kind of moving forward. So one of the things I'm doing in lieu of all this is doing a video like this, getting back on, you know, letting everybody know that, hey, we're not going to let these hackers, not let these people that are, you know, I mean, it's not the hackers' fault, it's people that stole from me, actually. But you know, for those of you who are probably having this major issue, outside of telling people, hey, like this video, subscribe to my channel, a lot of you don't really know how to use that little link below. And that's the first thing I wanted to do. I want to provide that for you so you can see. I want you guys to actually go through that, subscribe through it, because what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to follow up with everybody, and I'm going to give you the link, the breakdown. And then what you can do is enter your, you take it verbatim, one for one. You take your, take out my link, and you're going to put your link in there. And I've already got it waiting. Like I said, I'm doing this solely for people who use YouTube, who are going through, liking the videos, sharing the videos, commenting on the videos. The reason for that, you know, a lot of you who subscribe to my channel, you guys have probably found some of these tips very interesting. You probably have applied them. You're probably having some success with it. And that's the reason why I started doing this. But as you guys know, I don't do a whole lot of these like this. A lot of times I'll do stuff like this where I'll share my screen, stuff like that, you know, see what I'm saying? So where I do a lot of that, and I'll walk you through the screen and things like that. So let's just go back to it. So I do a lot of my videos and trainings like that so that you guys can actually see. I do a lot of over the shoulder so that you can gain an advantage. You can see somebody like me doing it. You can take action. That's one of the reasons why I do it. But the whole purpose for this video is, you know, let everybody know, sorry for some of the delays that have come down the pipeline. It's actually one of my books that I was in the middle of writing is now gone. So I've literally, two of my books, luckily I have them on the drive. and I'm doing the final on the. I had a lot of stuff going on that computer and the tablet that I had. Unfortunately, this is a prime time example. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to do this. For all of you who don't think that it matters, or if you're doing your work and you're not saving it on the cloud or in the cloud or the drive or something like that, trust me, take it from me verbatim. I have now lost months and months and months worth of work that was just on my desktop in folders, which is going to get me to another. It'll take me to another topic that I'm going to be talking to here at the end. That little noise you just heard. But one of the reasons I wanted to do this is kind of just bring attention to it. I want you guys to, you know, if you've ever had an incident like this happen, like the video, guys. I mean, the reason why I'm doing this is I want to make sure I give back. The course that I'm talking about, let me go ahead and share. Let me share the course I'm talking about, and then we'll go to that. So how about we do here? We go Udemy. So what reason? What's in it for you? So you guys need to know. So this is me obviously doing. I've got a bunch of students and things. See this course right here, this broadcast yourself and get first page rankings, guys. I put this out here, and because of the price tag, I'm actually. Oh, that's good. So they're actually Udemy is actually taking down the price of it, because of some of the Black Friday deals that I've done. But this right here, folks. I go through extensively how I get rankings. There's 43 of these lectures. All right, guys. And what I'm going to do is everybody who takes action on this, I'm going to actually give this to you for free. So the good thing is Udemy has already discounted it, going through and doing the things that they have. But what I'm going to do is, even if you were to pay the $10 price tag, that'd still be good for this information. But I'm going to give it to everybody for free, just for taking action on that. So let me go back to. Let's go here. Whoops. Sorry, guys. All right. All right. So, like I said, a lot of you, you're probably wondering, Lee, what do I care? One, you're going to get a great course. I'm going to get in that course. I expose a lot of different things about how I get first page rankings. And for any of you who follow me for any length of time, I'm ranking for billions of terms. I'm ranking. When I say terms, I'm saying results. If I go in and it's ranking for almost 2 billion results organically, doing things just like I'm doing right now, but I break it down in that course. I show you exactly how I do it in that course. Unlike a lot of people, from what I've seen, for the time that I've been doing this internet marketing, which has been 8 years now, a lot of people don't give their secrets away like that. Now, you're definitely not going to get it for free just for doing a like or clicking on that link in the description below. It just doesn't happen. But it's one of those things that, in lieu of all these dumb things that these thieves do and all these people do, I want to make sure that all of you who actually take action, all of you who are who follow me for any length of time, and you guys want something for free, make sure you go through, click on that link in the description below, like this video. The next thing I want to get into, luckily they didn't steal my freaking phone. They stole everything else. But in here, if any of you guys have ever known, I've done Hang With. It's a Hang With is an app that I use on the Android, but there's also a new one that's emerging called Periscope. And I haven't even done my first Periscope. I've done a bunch of Hang Lists. Hang Lists is roughly this. To me, it's roughly the same thing. They offer some of the same features. The only difference is Periscope, you get to do the little like it. So when you tap the screen, you get to see the little heart buttons, and it really kind of shows on the replays, and it shows when people are watching. It really adds value to the Periscope in itself. I have not, because I was actually in the process of putting a course together. I was getting ready to do a case study about it. So just so you guys know, you can find me on Hang With. You can find me on Periscope. Just have them on Hang With. I've got a bunch of video, a lot of free stuff that I put out there on Periscope. I haven't done my first one yet. I'm actually going to be doing that one tomorrow. May do an impromptu hangout just to let all you guys know in YouTube land and Google Plus land. Those of you who follow my channel. So All right, so let me go ahead and wrap this up. A lot of you guys are probably like, "Hey, man, it's Thursday night football. What are you talking about?" You know, stuff like that. But guys, like I said, I got my stuff stolen, and you know, for me, it's like starting brand new. It's just like, believe me, I was in San Jose, California, came back to my hotel, all my stuff's gone. Okay, and for me, that's one of the most uh, it's one of a really really horrible feeling, especially when you know somebody took advantage of you. Now they got your stuff. They don't even know what they have. Guarantee they don't know what they have. Just with the one computer alone. So what I wanted to do after I kind of got my bearings, I just got back. I'm now in Montana, so I decided to come back to Montana, and it's where I was born. It's like I'm going to be starting some things out here in Great Falls and doing some things out here in Montana. But obviously, as you know, with the power of YouTube land, you know, this reach is going to reach worldwide. I've got subscribers all around the world. People follow me. So, and as you guys saw with my courses, you know, I've got almost 6,000 students now. So it's, you know, like I said, I was getting ready to start ramping through the holidays, and with things that are coming down the pipeline, you're going to see substantially more people coming down that are going to be filtering through. So, with all that being said, action and steps. All right. One, if you got anything that is important that you're doing, I highly recommend that you save it on the drive. It's a lesson learned, guys. I didn't save everything to the drive or Dropbox, and I am now paying for it. I'm now months and months and months behind schedule now because somebody stole from me. All right. The second thing I want you to do is take action like this video. The reason why I want you to do that is I want to give you a free course. I just told you, and I showed you the course. It's my broadcast yourself and how to get first page rankings with YouTube. It's a proven theory, guys. These are proven strategies I've been using 40 years now that just flat out work. This is not some loophole. This is exactly how you set things up. This is exactly how you do it, and this is how you run with it. Okay, and that's what the course is about. It's something that it's some of my best secrets that you know, some of the big dogs that I know. They ask me. I've been asked quite a few questions on what I do. How do you rank for that? How do you rank it for this term? And I do it all organically. I don't even run backlinks to a lot of them, just so you guys know. They say backlinks are key. I'm proof that when you set everything up right, and when you do the types of things that are A, in your video, B, that are in your description, and C, you give good calls to action, a lot of things can happen for you as a result. So, all right. So now, last but not least, click on that link in the description below. Once this gets to 100 likes, okay, this is my ethical bribe. I'm going to give you a free course. Period. No questions asked. You know, it's not like you're gonna need to pay me anything. This is just being you know, a subscriber of my channel. Maybe you like some of the stuff that I put down in the past or some of my other videos. But now, because of these freaking thieves, now I'm out to prove a point that anybody, no matter where you're at in the world, that you can crush it. You can do this. So that's what I need you to do. Like this video, click on that link in the description below. There's only one little line of code. If you notice, any of my other descriptions, this description is not like everything else. You have one simple call to action there. Just click on it. Once you go through that, you're going to see what I'm talking about. You're going to probably redirect it to watch the same thing. But what it does is it's going to increase the subscriber count. So what I'm going to do is there's two ethical bribes here. Okay. One, once you do all that, once they hit 100 likes, you're going to get a course. Okay. Two, I'm going to show you that little trick that I'm showing you. I'm going to show you what I'm doing there so you can do it the same way. So that when you go through and maybe use a redirect or use anything that you do in your computer or however you do it in your description, there's a lot of little tricks that you can use that I'm going to be showing you in the coming weeks. All right. So hey guys, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching it this far. So do, you know, one last thing here. If you're doing anything important, save it to the drive. Learn from me. Learn from me. That's all I can say for me. Two, like this video. Okay. Three, click on that link in the description below. You're going to see around here, I've got the little thing, subscribe to the channel. You can do that too if you'd like to. But what I'm going to be looking for those likes. Okay. And if you've liked my video and you're a subscriber, you're getting a free, it's a $97 value. course, and I'm going to show you the little trick that I'm doing there that you can do exactly the same thing. It's really easy. I've already got it broken down into a PDF that I'm going to send that along. So it's kind of 2 ethical bonuses as far as this goes. Again, this is Lee Beatty. Hopefully you guys like this video. That was the whole test here. Use a Hangout. It's impromptu. It's a middle of the night kind of deal. I didn't do it for SEO optimization. I didn't do it for everything. I did it so that you can kind of see that, yes, this is a throwback Thursday, TBT, because, you know, I kind of went back to the old school, not having all my stuff with me, and, you know, had to kind of adapt and overcome now. So, all right, guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this far. Remember, save everything in a drive. Like this video. Make sure and click on that link in the description below. I'll be following up with you guys. And if you guys are smart, you follow through, you get a free course from it. I'm not asking you to join any email lists. I'm not doing anything. This is all through YouTube. This is all through Google+. So you guys take action. Talk to you soon.